to all the bright minds out there. I am Dr. Anshika Rajvanshi, Head of PGDM Department at IMS Noida. It is my pleasure to speak to you today. Our campus is buzzing with innovation, so let's find out what makes us so special. Our PGDM program is a blend of academic learning with practical exposure. We prepare the global leaders for tomorrow. It is about the journey from campus to corporate. Our curriculum has been designed keeping in mind the current industry aspects and the skills which are required to perform well in the organization in the key business areas like marketing, finance, operations, supply chain, entrepreneurship, and leadership. For effective decision making in the real business situations, we focus on case study analysis, role plays, and simulation techniques for the better understanding. We also do have our own skill development center. We have good industry connections and for the skillful and experiential learning, corporate professionals often visit our campus and interact with the students on a regular basis. To make a student a global leader, we provide international exposure, exchange programs, and global internships. As I mentioned, we have good industry connects. We take care of your career opportunities too. Our alumni is the greatest pillar in the success of IMS Noida. From successful entrepreneur to high-end business executive, they are making an impact worldwide. So being a part of student of IMS Noida, you'll be getting an access to this network and that will add value to your career, guidance and support in the coming future. So what are you waiting for? Let's join IMS Noida. Choosing IMS Noida means choosing a future filled with possibilities. Our dedicated and talented faculty members and staff, corporate connections and the proven track record makes us different from others. So what you're waiting for? Looking forward to see you and welcome you and support you in this exciting journey.